Okay, children. So today we will learn about the acronym. What we will learn? We will learn about the acronym. Okay. So all of you open chapter number 50, the acronym. What is the acronym? Here we have to write short forms are given here, but we have to write here full forms of the given word. Okay. Write the full form of the following abbreviations. So what is number one? Let me show you. Yes, yes, Tafi. Now you tell me what is the full form of ATM?
Automated teller machine.
Very good. Automated teller machine. Yes, very good. What is the full form of AC? Yes, Shahzad, tell me.
Alternating
Shahzad, Ahanish, all of you tell me. Yes, Deepayan.
circuit.
What is the full form of AC?
Alternating circuit.
Alternating circuit.
Alternating circuit.
Circuit. Number 3, CD. What is the full form of CD?
Compact disc. Compact disc. Compact disc.
Compact disc. Very good.
Compact
What is the full form of E-Bank?
electronic bank.
Electronic bank. Very good, children. What is the full form? Yes, Aratrika.
United Nations. United Nations.
What is the full form of UN?
United Nations. India.
AI, Air India. Very good.
India.
So these are the correct answers. Okay. So ATM. What is the full form of ATM is automated teller machine.
Automated teller machine.
All of you write down. Full form of AC is alternating circuit. Full form of CD is compact disc. Full form of E-Bank is electronic bank. Full form of UN is United Nations. Full form of AI is Air India. Okay. Now see this. What is the full form of CE?
Christian era. Christian era. Christian era.
Yes, Christian era. Christian era.
Christian
stands for Christian era. WHO stands for
World
World Health Organization. AM stands for Anti-Malarial. Very good. PM stands for
Prime Minister.
PM stands for Prime Minister. Yes, Rit, now you tell. AIR stands for
All India Radio. All India Radio.
All India Radio. Very good. DC stands for yes. Let yes before Christ, not Christ, Christ. Yes, yes. Rit. Okay, Rit. Rename yourself first. So these are the right answer. Once again, I will give you the quiz. Yes, Rit, unmute this. Adrija, start writing, everyone. Okay, now all of you lower your hand. Children, you all lower your hand. Everyone lower your hand. Yes, Rit, I know you joined late. Just do the following. Complete this short form.
Okay, ma'am.
Write the full form of each abbreviation.
Okay.
Okay. Now you mute yourself. Yes, Adrija, start writing. Tafi, start writing, everyone.
हमें नीचे वो नीचे तो ब्लैंक बॉक्स है वहाँ क्या लिखना होगा?
Where? In the blank box, we have to write this one. ATM stands for automated teller machine.
नीचे.
Here.
Yes, ma'am.
No, you don't have to write there. There was the only option. Only option was there, so I have selected already. No need to write. Why you will write here? This is the school app. You have to write in the book. So ATM stands for automated teller machine. AC stands for Yes, good, very good, Tafin. AC stands for alternating circuit. CD stands for compact disc. E-bank stands for electronic bank. UN stands for United Nations. AI stands for Air India. Okay, have you finished? After completing this, just tell me, I will move. Oh, okay, I will move to the next page. Yes, Tafim, what happened? Why you raising your hand?
Ma'am, go to the next page.
Wait. Rit, you have completed? Okay. Right first. So the first one is automated teller machine, which we call in short ATM. What we call alternating circuit, we call it AC. Compact disc, CD. CD we call compact disc. E-bank stands for electronic bank. UN stands for United Nations. AI stands for Air India. Okay, just mark this one. Okay, see the next one. CE. CE stands for Christian Era. WHO stands for World Health Organization. AM stands for number 9, anti-meridian. 10 stands for PM. PM stands for Prime Minister. AIR stands for All India Radio. BC stands for Before Christ. Okay, all of you, I hope you all have completed. Okay, yes, Aranya, what happened?
Ma'am, please give the first page.
First page. Okay. See,
Yes.
ATM. ATM stands for automated teller machine. Okay. The second one, AC. AC stands for alternating circuit. CD stands for compact disc. E-bank stands for electronic bank. UN stands for United Nations. AI stands for Air India. Just write on the option there in the blue yellow utility box. You can see, just write 1, 2, 3, 4 like this, and after that you write in the given box. Okay, write the whole full form of the short abbreviations. You will write the full form in the given box. Yes, Aryan, what happened, Aryan?
Ma'am, please give the 7 to 10 number of question.
7 to 10. Okay.
Yes, ma'am. No, ma'am, please wait.
Okay. Let her complete, then I will show you.
Okay, ma'am.
If you completed the first page?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. Just wait for a while. I will turn the page. I will move to the second one. Prakriti, what happened?
Ma'am, AC का मतलब
AC means alternating circuit.
मैम AC का मतलब एयर कंडीशनर भी होता है क्या?
Yes, that also, but in the option it is given there alternating circuit. Okay. In air condition also we say AC. Completed everyone? Adrika, what happened, Adrika?
Please, ma'am, you can do the next page.
Okay. Saranya, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, I'm moving to the next one. So CE stands for Christian Era. CE stands for Christian Era. WHO stands for World Health Organization. AM stands for anti-meridian. PM stands for Prime Minister. AIR stands for All India Radio. BC stands for Before Christ. All of you do this one. Anindya and Abhinaba, are you doing? Tanveer, Arhad, all of you are writing. Anindya, Abhinaba, have you completed?
No, ma'am.
Okay, right. Serin, have you completed? Serin Sahiba. Somak, are you writing, Somak? Nafeen Zenia, are you writing?
Yes. इसको सेका नहीं खाते सेका नहीं
Arhad,
खाते
what happened, Arhad? Don't talk. Sit in your position, Arhad. Take your position. Swineet, are you writing?
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Tafim. Very good, Tafim. Are you writing, Swineet?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay.
Ma'am, I have completed.
Yes, Swineet, what happened? Very good, Tafim. Very good.
Ma'am,
Yes.
chapter 43. Here, common question asbe.
That I will tell you. Okay, in the next class, I will give you some more questions on that. That time I will tell you, discuss everything about that. Okay. I will add some few more questions on chapter number 43.
Okay, ma'am.
Okay. Adrija, have you completed?
Yes, ma'am.
Okay. So Adrija, what ATM stands for?
Ma'am,
Yes.
please show me the first one, 2, 3, and 4.
Okay. See, first two.
I have no.
2 is AC. AC is alternating circuit. Just mark in that yellow utility box, right? Above the AC, you write alternating circuit, write number 2. Then CD is for compact disc. E-bank is for electronic bank. UN stands for United Nations. AI stands for Air India.
Wait, ma'am, I am writing.
Okay. What happened, Arhad?
Ma'am, you told you will give the inventor's question answer.
Yes. In the next class. I will give you.
You
Don't worry
not
about it.
send.
No, I have not prepared till now. Today I will make the questions and then in the next class I will give you to write.
Okay.
Okay, Arhad.
Okay, ma'am.
Good yourself.
And ma'am,
Yes.
tell me some questions.
Okay. So Arhad, what ATM stands for?
What, ma'am?
ATM stands for?
Automatic teller machine.
AC stands for?
Automatic teller machine.
Yes. AC stands for?
Alternating circuit.
And E-bank stands for?
Electronic bank.
UN stands for?
United Nations.
Okay. Very good, Arhad. Adrija, have you completed?
No, ma'am.
Still you are writing?
Ma'am, I have completed.
Very good, Rit. Very nice. So Rit, Air India stands for?
Ma'am,
AI stands for?
I have completed and I want to tell you that PM has two full forms. One is Prime Minister and one is
Right, prime
post-
meridian. Post meridian. Yes.
Post Meridian.
Yes. Very good. Very good, Sana.
Ma'am, in the exam, can I write Post Meridian?
No. You will write that only. Okay, Prime Minister. Okay, Saranya. Yes, Riz.
Ma'am, is the syllabus completed?
Yes, the syllabus is completed, and from the next class, I will give you some more questions on that chapter number 43. Okay.
And ma'am, when we will start the moral science book chapter?
Ask to your that subject teacher, she will tell you. Okay.
Ma'am,
Who's the subject teacher of moral science?
moral science is not started yet.
Okay, okay. Then you will get to know about that sooner or later. Okay. Okay. Now, Saranya, you tell Saranya.
Yes, ma'am.
Saranya, now tell me AM stands for
AM stands for anti-meridia.
anti-meridian. Okay. CD stands for
CD stands for compact disc.
okay. Okay, Saranya, very good. Mute yourself.
Ma'am, please ask me.
Yes, wait. Adrija, now tell me ATM stands for. Saranya, I will ask only few questions. Only two.
Yes, ma'am.
Yes, Adrija, tell me ATM stands for.
Automatic teller machine.
Okay. E-bank stands for.
Yes, ma'am. Say again.
E-bank stands for.
Electronic bank.
Very good. Very good, Adrija. Mute yourself. Okay. Adrika, unmute yourself.
Yes, ma'am. TL.
Adrika, now tell me UN stands for.
What?
UN stands for.
Unit.
United Nations. What you will say? United Nations. Okay.
United Nations.
AI stands for AI.
AR India.
Yes, very good. Mute yourself. So these are the abbreviations and you have to learn the full form of this. Okay. Tafim, unmute yourself. Who is the civilian hero? Rename yourself. Tafim, tell me. E-bank stands for.
Electronic bank.
AC stands for.
Alternating circuit.
Circuit. Very good, Tafim. Very good. Yes, Arya.
Ma'am, moral studies teacher is not Rini ma'am, Prokiti ma'am.
What you're saying, Tafim?
Our moral science teacher is not Rini ma'am, Prokiti ma'am.
Okay, okay. Okay, I will tell you about that. Yes, Arya Haldar.
Yes, ma'am.
Now tell me, CE stands for.
What, ma'am?
CE stands for.
Compact disc.
Okay. Now tell me, E-bank stands for.
Electronic bank.
Okay, very good. Mute yourself. Somak, tell me, Somak, WHO stands for. Somak, unmute yourself. WHO stands for. Somak, unmute yourself. I can't hear you, Somak. Anindya and Abhinaba. Somak, I can't hear you. Check your device. Yes. Anindya and Abhinaba,
Yes,
tell me
ma'am.
WHO stands for.
What, ma'am?
WHO stands for.
World Health Organization.
Okay. PM stands for.
Prime Minister and Post Media.
Very good, very good. Okay.